Hello and welcome to the second vlog here from the very sunny Sri Lanka. Right now I'm standing with my Uber and he's gonna take me back to Negombo, where I'm gonna stay for one night and then pick up my mom from the airport. So, let's go! Wow, what a stunning hotel, huh? This is quite an upgrade to what I'm usually used to. Now I'm just gonna rest up because tonight I'm gonna pick up my mom and Leendert from the airport. So yeah, see you in the morning. Hey, very good morning. It's 4:45 in the morning right now. I'm walking to the entrance of the hotel. So, let's see where the cab is. Alright, we're back at the hotel. Everything went pretty smoothly. Now we're gonna have a quick nap. So after our nap, we're gonna start the Negombo city tour. So, let's sleep. Alright, so we're at this church right now. We're just gonna have a look. Yeah, just enjoy this nice montage of everything that we're gonna see today.
This is the Angurukara temple.
Yeah, I'm your tourist guide for this day, and we stumbled into a monastery, and we got this nice book which explains everything about Buddha. It starts with his birth under a salt tree, and also in between somewhere his death under 2 salt trees. And it was a very exciting experience today. You can see the book. See you later. It was nice.
And back to the car. Alright, we're at the beach, enjoying the smell here. And we're gonna go for a boat ride in a bit.
Very well, very nice. Yeah, I love it.
Wow, such a nice first day here in Sri Lanka with my mom and Leendert. We saw and did so much today. So yeah, now we're just gonna have some food and then sleep early because we've got a long day ahead of us tomorrow again. So yeah, let's rest a bit. All right, so that concludes our stay at Hotel Villa Green Inn. Now we're gonna go on our way to our next destination, which is gonna be somewhere Anu something. So let's go. Alright, so before we actually go to the Anunda place, our chauffeur actually brought us to a truck, and apparently we're going on a safari. So let's see how that's gonna be. enjoyed a 4 or 5 hour safari. We did see a lot of nice animals, so it was completely worth it. Now it's about another hour drive to the next hotel, so let's get to it. So we just arrived after 1 more hour of driving. Now we're just gonna eat and then probably sleep. So let me just show you the hotel tomorrow. Alright, it's time to leave the black and white hotel again. And now we're actually going to Anundarapura. So let's go.
We're in the most ancient city of Sri Lanka. It's a very famous city because a part of the soul of Buddha is resided here.
Alright, so we were just at Anundarapura. That was the temple place. The temple you saw was 1 out of 8. And now we're at this highway diner, I guess, where we're gonna have some lunch. That was a nice lunch. Now we're going to our hotel. And afterwards we're going to see some caves, right? Some rocks. If you hadn't guessed it already, this is the rock, aka the mountain, that we're gonna climb, and you can see the name right here. The top. Also, I forgot my phone in the car, so I can make a drone shot. But yeah, the view is nice anyway. So that was it. Thanks for watching my second vlog here from Sri Lanka, in which you could see how I finally met my mom and Leendert again after months of not seeing each other. And yeah, it's pretty hard to pick a personal highlight from everything that we've done so far, but it's definitely between the boat ride and the mountain trek that we did. What an amazing view that was. So again, let me know how you liked it and what you would like to see in future vlogs. But for now, see you next time.